10x showing up on a crazy time. 10x on crazy time, and are we getting a crazy?
Zip out Lucky Louise Jive. Marina and the Salmon Congratulations got to that. One more spin, one more rack. I wish you the best of luck. A wonderful day. Past 2 days have been had roughly 35% payback. Big busy. Ooh. Anyway, good luck to you, buddy. Daryl, what's up, bro? What's up, my man? How you doing there? It's a Friday. Coin flip with a 4x multiplier. You're a gigachat. What is that expression? Gigachat? Don't move. And it's a 4x. Coin flip with a 4x multiplier. Forex multiplier and coin flip. Blue and the red sides of a coin. Check it out. Ooh! 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 200x on a coin flip on a blue side, 20x on the red. Close your eyes, guys. Close your eyes. Easy. I was not even stressing. 200x on the blue side, guys. Brilliant. My congratulations, guys. Let's go back to the wheel. Shush! Fal, Harley, Mimi. Yeah, JDP, congratulations.
Great job, great job. Betting time, so good luck, everybody. Take all time, no need to rush. Auto play bets on all option is available for you as well. 4 bonus rounds, coin flip, cash on pachinko. Crazy time. It is. Good luck. Wait, Mark. Wait a minute. You are so confusing right now. So wait. Good luck. Let me get this straight. You live in Germany, right? But you work in Netherlands. How can that be possible? 5x on a crazy time it is. Well, welcome. Wow. Hey, stop. Crazy time with 5 times multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get this party started in here. Let's get it party started in here. Let's go. Woo! Let's go, everybody. Oh, crazy time. Welcome to the world's biggest wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, with a 5 times multiplier from the top side. Add it. Yes, 5x added to the wheel. 3 flappers right now in front of you, and you gotta choose. Blue like the blueberry muffin, green like the lettuce, yellow like the sunshine. Which one do you prefer? Chachi, now that's a chocolate drop. Well, hopefully we're going to drop it like a hot potato and a hot chocolate. Looks like the majority is going for that blue side. Good luck, everybody. Let's get it started. 400x it is. Woo! The biggest multiplier. Or are we going to get those double cheeseburgers? Ooh. Good luck, everybody. Wow, I'm out of breath here, but hey, okay, that is, wow, 75x on that green, 125x on that yellow, 250x on that blueberry blue, 5,285. Quincy gets this ring, your Jonas on the green, now Quincy, 25,000, top winner, that's incredible, nice, woo! Betting time's here.
Hi guys, my name is Christine, and say sorry to her. Anyways, let's keep on moving for the luck wins and a money. Betting time is over. Good luck. Hi there, y'all. That's not how I want to be known as, but hello to you as well. Oh, hi, Taya. You can't imagine how happy I am to see you today. How am I doing? Now much better seeing you here, yes. Number 2, ladies and gentlemen. So that means all of the winners. We got 1,223 winners. Congratulations. First, you got 3,000 euros, 3,040 euros at 125. And you got 270 euros in your hands. And let's keep on moving around. Hello, Dudley. Welcome. And let's see how lucky we're going to be. So, let's keep on moving. Betting time is over. Next showing up on a crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's keep on moving, guys. So yeah, guys, how are you doing today? How is the mood? How is the feeling? Hopefully everybody are feeling good. You got get a 10x on crazy time. And are we getting a crazy time? We are getting a crazy time. Crazy time with a 10x, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. So welcome to the crazy time. Let's multiply it 10 times, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, it's multiply, guys. So welcome to choose your flopper, blue, green, or yellow flopper of the choice. I see blue is leading, then goes yellow and green. Alright, up to 1,000, so good luck. Come on, bring in the double or 1,000. 1,000 is here. Alright, 150x on a yellow, green with a 250x and 1,000x on a blue. Welcome back. 20, 786, 1,000x on the blue. Nice. 150x on the green and 150x on the yellow. Amazing win, guys, here. And let's keep on moving for the rounds. Let's go.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.